For years, there have been questions about what to do with the Big O. Well, now Quebec has made its decision. The Olympic Stadium is getting a new roof. It comes with a massive price tag, $870 million, and there will be years of work ahead. Matt Grillo has details.
Crews will waste no time. The dismantling of the roof at the Big O begins this year. It's the first step in a major undertaking.
We're investing for 50 years. That's what we're doing. We're doing this for you, your kids, and your grandkids.
But it will take years at an estimated cost of $870 million. The roof will not be retractable, but will include a translucent ring to allow more light inside the stadium. Also being replaced is the technical ring that links the roof to the stadium. Despite all its problems, heritage advocates say the Big O stands out.
These are probably some of the greatest achievements from an architectural and engineering point of view of their days. The Olympic Stadium in Montreal was an outstanding structure.
Officials say demolishing the Olympic Stadium would cost even more, about $2 billion, and the idea of demolition was dropped long ago.
We established that many years ago, around 700 million to 1 billion at that time, not including a lot of not only technical aspect, but deconstruction aspect, because of two subway stations, the tunnel, the fact that there's the biodome, the tower.
Some Montrealers say the roof should be replaced, but others think it's too expensive.
They're right. The Olympic Stadium is like the Eiffel Tower.
I'd say it's a little insulting based on like the cost of life and everything. I think it's really tone deaf.
Over the past generation, there's been a change of heart with the stadium. It was for decades one of the most hated buildings in the city, and in the end now you see people having fun around it.
The project has the backing of Montreal's mayor.
If this is the dream, or if this is the project of the government of Quebec, to me, I'm in favor. I mean, like I said, we may like it or not like the Big O, but ultimately it's there to stay.
The stadium itself will be closed while the work is carried out, but the outdoor section of the Olympic Park is still open for business. The roof is expected to be installed by 2028. Matt Grillo, CTV News.